The other existed option is making the album with the pictures. That you can use this option to make a family album or present your reports that all the information is in pictures, and it also gives you the access to add text. I click on the new photo album in order to open the photo albums window. It contains different parts which I will explain you one by one. In the album content section, in this section, with selecting the file or disk option, you can select the different photos that you want to make album with them. The browser window will open for you, and you can select the pictures and click on insert. All your pictures will be added to picture in album in this way. Now you can edit the pictures that you like. Edits like changing the brightness level or the rotation of the picture. That these options select the picture. To see the preview here, and even with these options you can also rotate the pictures, or you can increase or decrease the level of brightness of the pictures. As you see the picture gets really bright, by the help of these options you can apply some changes on your picture, and while the picture is selected you can select the remove option to delete the picture, or by the help of the arrow keys you can change the place of the picture, and even by the help of the new text box item you can add a text between the pictures that it creates the text box between the pictures, and after making the photo album you can click on those text boxes and type a text that you like. Or even if you activate the all pictures black and white option, all the pictures will be black and white. And then in the photo layout you can determine the layout of your slide, that how many pictures will be in the slide. If you have selected the fit to slide option, the captions below all picture is inactive. This option shows the name of the picture under the picture. Actually my picture doesn't have any special names and all are numbers, but if I select the fit to slide option in the picture layout section, there won't be any place to show the name of the picture under it. But if I select the 2 pictures, 3 pictures, 4 pictures layout, this option gets active and I can use it. And if I activate captions below all pictures option, the name of the picture will be shown under it. Each option that you select in the album layout section, you will see the preview of it here, that I selected 2 pictures. It shows that my slide will contain 2 pictures, and you can determine the style in a frame shape section. For example, it will be a rounded rectangle. It means the angles of the picture be rounded, or you can select the different styles that are here, and you can see the preview of each here and select the one that you like. And then by regulating these settings, click on the create and wait for a while, then your pictures album will be created. As simple as that, and with regulating the settings, it makes the pictures album. As you see, the name of the picture is here. You can click on it here and type a text for it, or wrote the name of the pictures in a correct way that be shown here in a good way. As you remember, I have added a text box after this picture, and now the text box is here, and I can type any content that I like, and you can regulate different settings for it. For example, you can add a sound to your album and even give a specific transition to all your slides. You can make it in a way that you like, then see the result of it. After creating the pictures album, if you click on edit photo album, this window will be shown for you again, and you can regulate more settings on your album. Well, I have explained the insert tab and the images section fully. Whether the pictures that are added from computer or online pictures, whether screenshots or making the photo album, and we have explained the different options of the format tab, and in the next video we will learn about illustration section. Actually, the illustration tab is kind of hard because all the shapes, icons, charts, and smart arts are in this tab that I will explain the different options of it.
In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye.